Today I am in a very interesting place, and it's Morgantina in the heart of Sicily, and it's an ancient city, and I'm going down there. Morgantina was discovered 1955 by a Swedish archaeologist, Erik Sjöqvist, who chose the place for excavations and made the project successful. Also, the Swedish king Gustav Adolf VI was present. The works ended in 1967 by the Swedes due to Erik's illness, and Americans took over because Italy didn't have the economy. Morgantina is a Siculi-Greek Cittadella with Greek ceramic foundings dating back to 460 before Christ, and actually all the way back to Bronze Age, circa 2000 before Christ. Greeks dominated this area, and the Cittadella reached up to 10,000 inhabitants. Morgantina is the most important archaeological site in Sicily and gave understanding of ancient city planning. It's located 578 meters above sea level, with original population of Sicily said to have its origins in central Italy.